Checking Qatar Airways ticket confirmation. In today's video, you are going to learn how to check Qatar Airways ticket confirmation. So let's get started and watch the video till the end. First, find your booking reference. Locate the booking reference PNR from the confirmation email you received after booking. Then go to their website or application by visiting the official Qatar Airways website or their official mobile application. Now, search for Manage Booking or My Trips option. If you found, tap the option to manage or view your booking. Then, enter your details, type in your last name and booking reference exactly shown in your email. Tap Search to see your flight details, ticket confirmation status, seat, and any added extras. If you have booked through an agent, you can still check on Qatar's site and confirm directly with your travel agent. And that's all. That's how you will be able to check Qatar Airways ticket confirmation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.